Okay guys, next strategy I want to share with you is really powerful. Now, if we are looking at sort of real-time events or news or sports, there is a massive demand for this kind of video and this kind of playlist. Okay, so there's multiple ways that we can take advantage of that using a tool like Social Playlist Alpha. And that is because we've got multiple traffic strategies built in, and we've got multiple ways that we can tap into high traffic platforms such as Reddit, such as Quora, such as Medium.com, Facebook, Twitter, etc., Pinterest, and we can actually go and take advantage of these different platforms because of the way that we have set up the traffic strategies that are just made checkbox easy within the software. Okay, but what we want to do is identify some niches that we can take advantage of that strategy. Okay, so let's go and do a search in here. I'm going to click on search and add. Okay, and I'll just expand on this. What I want to do is go into the advanced search, and I'm going to do it for the last hour in here. Okay, and I'm going to type in here MSNBC. Okay, and this should bring back some videos that are based around MSNBC political news. Okay, so there's a lot happening with politics right now, both in the UK and in America, and it's, you know, people are woken up because of what's happened with Brexit and what's happened with Trump, etc., and Russian interference and all that kind of stuff, Cambridge Analytica. People are you know, rightfully started to pay attention. There's things that people will stand up for and they will fight each other. It's controversial, and that means there's massive traffic potential for you and me. Okay, so you can see in here that we're getting full shows in here, like Rachel Maddow show. That's the sort of most popular news analysis show on cable TV. Between CNN, MSNBC, Fox News, this is the most popular one. We can take that and we can actually make playlists from this video that's been uploaded within the last hour. Okay, Lawrence O'Donnell, that comes straight after Rachel Maddow. Okay, the last hour. Last word, Lawrence O'Donnell. 11th hour, Brian Williams, comes straight after that. We got 3 videos that we can go and create a playlist with straight away. Okay, and as we scroll down, we can probably find some more from Don Lemon and Chris Cuomo, etc., from CNN, and you can make a playlist every single day. And all we need to do is just checkbox them, and we can simply import that video data. Okay, and we can do that. Now, there's another way that we can do it as well, because what we can do is we can come over here, we can go into the advanced search again. Let me expand it, and this time we're going to do Creative Commons, because sometimes people don't realize that they have uploaded a video that's got Creative Commons. Now, why would I care about doing that when somebody's done some hard work? They've recorded from the TV, they've removed the adverts in between. Well, because they're kind of ripping off the TV station anyway. And often when you see these videos, they're getting closed down, and then those channels are getting closed down quite a lot of the time. So they're playing a numbers game anyway, where they are ripping off from MSNBC or Fox News or CNN. They're putting these videos on the channels, and when you look at the traffic volumes for some of these, you understand why. Okay, because when we just sort this out by the views, now don't forget, let's actually sort this out according to today. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that one more time to search. So the search volumes here, we got 5,900 views for this particular video that's got Creative Commons. Okay, that's been uploaded today, 20th February 2019. Okay, so we could take that, we can download it, we can find a whole bunch of these, download them, re-upload them. Okay, we've got Rachel Maddow, Last Words, we've got all these really popular shows that we can take advantage of that are getting thousands of views. How many views would they get without the Creative Commons? This is where this can get really eye-opening, because this is where these guys are making money. Okay, they're driving traffic, they're making money, they might even be building email lists. You put these videos into a playlist, you can put adverts in between them as well. Okay, now when we sort this out by the views without the Creative Commons, which is what you will be able to do if you download the Creative Commons ones and re-upload them, then you will have videos that don't have the Creative Commons license, and you can start to see the search volumes, the views on these, the traffic volumes in these, like 106,000 views this video has had here, guys. This is not more than 24 hours old. It's had 106,000 views. this one 98,000 views, this one 91,000 views. Now we can do this in different niches. It doesn't have to be politics. You can do this for, let's do Champions League. They had some games last night, I believe, didn't they? Let's click on Champions League. And we can sort it again by the view counts. You can see 425,000 views for this particular video. Okay, you can go and find the goals from the Champions League games. Schalke v Man City, that was last night, 24,000 views. You can download these kind of videos and re-upload them, okay, and you can tap into massive traffic. I call this real-time playlist, or real-time curation. Now, not only that, this is just how to create the playlist, but we can syndicate these playlists, and we can even syndicate individual videos. Once you've uploaded these videos into your own channel, you can go and find your videos by browsing the channel here. Okay, find the videos that you uploaded, and we will have in here to send to the social curation tool, and that means you can put them into social profiles that you control, and from there you can upvote your own content with your own accounts, because you can use unlimited accounts. So for example, if I've got 100 Twitter accounts and I've assigned one as an authority account, the other 99 will come and re-vote or retweet, like, okay, or a combination of both randomly, so that you've got that social interactivity, okay, and that gets your content found, and it can even help with the social signals to get it ranking as well. Powerful stuff.